So what I want to talk about today is how easy it is to clean your cast iron pan after a simple everyday use. So come on, let's talk about it. So you've just finished using your pan for something really simple, even eggs or some veggies or bacon or just something simple you've used your cast iron pan for, and you want to clean it up quickly. You don't want to necessarily do the boil method, and you don't want to do the salt method, and you don't want to do the soap method. You just want a good everyday clean method so that you can use it, clean it, put it away. I'm Cecily from Cecily On Point, and I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really simpler than you may think. And if you like this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, put your notifications on, and come back again, because I'm always doing something for cast irons. So let's take this simple pan that we just cooked in, and let's get it clean. Let me show you how to do it. So the first thing I'm going to do with our everyday clean is, of course, remove all of the oil that I'm able to. Anything that you can get out of your pan first, you want to try and bring it so that this is all you're looking at. Pretty much the pan that needs cleaning. You can see that you've got most of your oil and grease out of it already. So now this is the everyday clean. Let's start with some hot water. And you just want to put a little bit of hot water in the bottom of your pan. Then get your good scrubby and just start the scrub. The key again is we just want our water to be clear. You see how it's not really clear yet? The key is we want it to be clear. So just give it a good scrubbing. Good scrubbing. And look, we want your water to be clear. Okay? Take the other side of your sponge, wipe it out, and your pan is clean. That is your everyday clean. Take a paper towel to verify that it is in fact clean. Wipe it along, and you see the paper towel comes out clean. That's your everyday clean. Now let's move on to the maintenance, your everyday maintenance. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your cleaned pan that you have dried lightly with the paper towel on a low flame. Let me show you how low it is. It's a very low flame. And the reason that we do this is to, one, make sure it's 100% dry, because that's paramount. And two, to open it up to get ready to take the seasoning into it, your oil that you're going to leave it with. This is the final step in the maintenance and the everyday care of your cast iron pan. Okay, so my pan is nice and warm now. I'm going to get ready to apply my seasoning. And this is my balm here. I'm just taking just a small amount of the balm on the paper towel, and I'm going to spread it all along the inside, turning the flame off. And as you can see, the pan is warm. You can tell by the way the balm is melting. Let me turn it this way so that you can see. I'm going to cover the whole piece along the sides, the handles. Now we're just going to let this sit and let this cool for a few minutes. And once it cools off, we'll then come back and take out any of the excess oil. But this is how it looks so far. This is the heated pan. Okay, my pan is completely cool. As you can see, I'm able to handle it with no problem. That's always the key. And now I'm using my cast iron cloth, my microfiber cloth, to just take out the excess oil that's in here so that it does not get sticky. And I'm just wiping. At this point, I'm doing the bottom, sides. I'm taking all that excess out. See the difference? And now over time, later even today, this pan is going to drink up the rest of this, and still will end up looking somewhat like this pan, how it drinks it up. So this is how you want to end with your everyday maintenance after your everyday clean. So this is how our pan looks from our everyday clean and our everyday maintenance. It's very, very simple. So this is why you want to use your pan frequently, because if you use it every day, the more you use it, the more stick-free it will become. And by maintaining it like this, you're seasoning it every time you use it. Very, very simple. So embrace your cast irons. And this everyday clean, as you can see, is simple. So make sure that you use this, and you'll be really happy and become one with your cast iron. I'm Cecily from Cecily on Point. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, if you like this video, to subscribe and come back again, because I'm always doing something with cast iron. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy your cast irons.